I'm trying to see if Sherman's going to roll over, but I think he's just going to be cranky now.
I'm going to open this. Take a picture. Oh, Ryan. Maybe I should go get his pacifier.
No, we don't need his pacifier.
Take a picture, okay?
Mama's recording it.
You are?
Hey, Sherman.
Hi, Sherman.
Hi, Sherman.
Hi, Sherman.
Weston, don't walk in front.